Hi, this project is done at Gangampalli Chittor at the BMR Gardens Vilament. We are now going to show you the sliding mechanism. We have done the study unit here and the open unit. There's the open unit and there's the flap up units. And the down, yeah, and there's the flap up units. Here we have used all the soft close hinges. Here is a drawer unit and below we have a shelf unit here. Start this study table. You can keep your books and the open shelf unit here. Here's the sliding wardrobe. This is the she compartment. Okay, and we have given two drawers here. Two drawers. First drawer with the lock, and this beautiful handles, very slim handles. Yes, slim handles. And this mechanism is a soft close mechanism. We have used the Bose sliding channel with soft mechanism with EBCO lock in the center. The most advantage of this is no sliding can have the locks, but once we put the locks in the center of the sliding wardrobe, both the sides we cannot open. Try to push it, no. After locking it, you cannot use it locks both the side. Yes. Now we're going to show you the he compartment. Begin a soft close, begin a full hanger rod, two drawers, shelf unit, space for the plugs here. Completely on the top we have got all the lofts here, here all the loft here. Here's one hanger rod space and two drawers with all the same handles and the lock for the first drawer. This is the guest bedroom. We have got the loft on top, which is extended loft on the window. We got a storage space and the openable doors. Here we are now showing you the openable doors. Yes, here we have given the she compartment for the ladies. Give the storage there on top, hanger rod, and the drawers in the center, and two shelves. Now 1 minute, you can show this one. Before this is a he compartment where we will not have a shelf here. It's only a hanger rod, center one drawer, and shelf here, loose shelf. This is a removable shelf. If you have a very big one, you can easily remove it. Yes. And now we're going to show you a very important compartment which most of the women would require. We are given two drawers, external drawers on the outside. Yes. And now to hide the mirror, we have given the mirror space in the inside. And when you open the door, 1 minute. When you open the door, you can see there's a mirror space here. And here there's a switch point for them to operate on the lighting here. Now you can open this door. Yes. So this is the two door opening. One is the external door opening, and one more is the internal door opening. And here we have got all the space for them to keep the cosmetics and the ladies use it. Now here we have a space for a hanger, bangles. You open and show the bangles. Yes, you can see the ladies can keep the bangles here easily, and it will not damage. And for them, it will be easy for them to curate all the bangles and select whatever the bangles they want for their occasions they're going in. Now we have a shelf unit here. One removable shelf here, another one shelf, removable shelf. Here one removable shelf. So this storage acts as a space for the window here, because they had a window and they wanted a space here. Could you close the doors, please? Close the door. Yeah. So they can use it as a storage, low height storage here, or they can sit on this now and have a view outside of the window also. Yes. This is a small kitchen. It's a white and blue, sea blue color, where we have given the black color G profile. We use the black G profile here. You can open the shutter and show. Here it's a very nice combination. And here we have a sink unit. The granite is yet to be put. We have installed the sink bottom end with the detergent holder and dustbin unit here. Okay. And next to it we have a open shelf unit, not open shelf, it's a shelf unit. Here this can be converted either into a gas cylinder storage. Currently we have given both options. We have made a hole on this corner for the cylinder to be fixed, kept inside and operate. And next to that we have 3 drawers. One is the executive. This is a executive cutlery unit, which is all removable, detachable. Even this tray is detachable. In case if you want to clean it, it can be easily removed. You can remove the cutlery tray. Yes, you can remove the entire sheet and then easily keep it back into the tray. This is the cutlery unit. Next we have and this has got a soft close also. And this is a open wire basket in it. You can keep all your small boxes and utensils. Next we have a plate organizer. We call it as a thali unit also, and this can be this is got a very good food grade SS rings, which is 304 grade. And this is certified and food grade, and it's anti-rust, anti-corrosion, and it does not damage your food articles or your food utensils also. We have got a separate sections to organize the plates here, and this is also a soft close. And next to that we have a blind corner. This has got one removable shelf and the soft close from Edge. Next to that we have one more plate organizer, plain basket with same SS food grade IS 304 grade, which is about 6 mm thickness baskets. This is a long durable baskets and does not get damaged or broken even with the rough usage also. The same thing, we have one more plain basket, and at the end we have a open shelf unit. Yes. Now coming to the wall unit, we have a glass shutter unit with the frosted glass. We have given a chimney panel here, and the same to design matching. We have a frosted glass shutter unit and 2 shelf unit. Yes, yeah, yes, and this chimney panel is fixed. Now coming into the other side of the kitchen, we have open shelf unit. Yes, again we have given all the matching same black G profile here, and we have used the mix of blue and white for the design purpose. Here we have given a center vertical for them to fix this top shelf, which actually acts as a partition for the wall unit, and also for it gives you much support for heavy articles to be kept on the top floor. This is a crockery unit with the glass shelves. We have given a glass shutter on this, with a clear glass shutter with the beautiful knobs, designer knobs for this. Yes, now open the doors. Yeah, see the soft close and the glass shutters here. Yes, you can see the shutter, the next one is closing very softly, because since the shutters have got a glass and there is a lot of crockery will be kept there, it's suggested to use a soft close for the those shutters. Here this is a very beautiful simple yet entertainment unit we have given in the living room. We have a white back panel and 3 open shelf unit for them to keep the set-top box and the any other articles here. Yes, and this is the set-top box space for them. There's a space for them for the electric wires and the HDMI wires to be pulled down from the TV unit to the bottom of the cabinet here with this small hole as a point where once the electrical work is done, this will be more accessible. Now we have got a designer knob. You can see the knob. This is a very copper color, which is matching the laminate also. Yes, with the white color laminate on the top. White color gives you a very bright color output. This is a small storage for them to keep any other articles. And yes, this is a suspended TV unit. If you see the bottom, there's no support here. We have fixed this to the wall and the back panel with the white. There are 3 drawers. You can show all the 3 drawers here. Yes. Yeah. Yes. And we have given 2 ledges here. One is the biggest ledge, and the full length ledge here. This has got a dark laminate which gives where you can keep all the articles in this corner and yet it will be visible properly. And on this white part you can have a TV, and since the TV you can have up to 45 to 50 inch here, the white the background will be highlighting the television also.